Hi everyone, my name is Gina, and this video is a quick walkthrough of my GoHighLevel Backend system documentation. This document summarizes a complete backend system build created as part of a structured 30-day implementation, and it's meant to show how I plan, build, and document system inside GoHighLevel. By the way, this is not a sales proposal and it's not a template. It's a demo system documentation that shows how a full Go High Level backend is structured, from lead capture to onboarding, including pipelines, workflows, automations, and internal notifications. I use this format so anyone reviewing my work can understand the logic behind the system, not just the final setup. The system was built over 30 days using a step-by-step approach. So each stage focuses on a specific part of the backend, such as pipeline setup, automation, logic, booking flows, follow-ups, and client onboarding. I document each step so the system stays organized, scalable, and easy to maintain. I included supporting resources. These are the builder's overview. This is my landing page, and also a YouTube walkthrough. So I also document these 30 days Go High Level build, and also I document it here inside the Notion. So these are provided for context, not as marketing, so reviewers can see how I work across tools. So these documentations represent how I approach Go High Level system builds. I focus on clean structure, clear logic, and documentation that makes system easy to understand and support. Thank you for watching.